What are the biggest challenges Graham Platner faces in his re-election bid? His campaign is navigating a maze of voter skepticism and fierce opposition that could shift the election outcome dramatically. One major challenge Graham Platner faces is declining public trust. Recent controversies and policy decisions have left many voters questioning his reliability and integrity. This erosion of trust makes it harder for him to mobilize his base and attract undecided voters. Repairing this trust requires transparent communication and tangible results that resonate with the community's concerns. Graham Platner is also up against increasingly strong political opponents. These challengers are running highly effective campaigns that appeal to younger voters and key demographics. Their fresh ideas and energetic outreach programs threaten to siphon support away from Platner. This dynamic forces him to innovate his campaign strategies and address emerging voter priorities quickly. Economic concerns are another significant challenge. Many voters are anxious about job security, inflation, and local economic growth. Platner needs to convincingly present policies that address these worries. Failure to offer clear, actionable economic plans risks alienating a large portion of the electorate seeking stability and progress. Lastly, changing voter demographics pose a challenge. The electorate is becoming younger and more diverse, with shifting values and priorities. Platner must adapt to these changes by addressing issues like climate change, social justice, and technology access. Connecting authentically with these groups is critical to securing enough votes for re-election. Graham Platner's re-election bid is a complex battle against trust issues, strong opponents, economic worries, and shifting voter demographics. His success depends on adapting quickly and connecting with a changing electorate. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.